Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing how to start your own slime account on Instagram. Comment down below if you guys have a slime account or are thinking of, and I'll answer some questions and all that, but let's get right onto the video. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is picking a username, and this is super important because if you don't pick the right username, it could affect your followers, it could affect your sales, and all that. So when picking a username, you want to be original and creative. You don't want to copy somebody else. You don't want to add like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 to the end of your username, or like a bunch of underscores or zeros. You know what I mean. Don't make it complicated. Make it something that people can remember. Also, just like any social media or YouTube or whatever, you have to be willing to put time into it. If you're not consistent on your slime account, it's not good. You want to be consistent with your videos. And all that jazz. So yeah, picking a good username is very important. I actually have a slime account called Honey Slimes, and that's why I'm making this video. But anyways, that's why I'm making this video, because a lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, like, how did you do it? Do you have any tips? This is a really important part of having a slime account. So you basically want to make sure you have a good filming area. The best place to film is on a white background. Don't do a bunch of colors. Make sure your lighting is good. That's really important. And also make sure your place is clean. Nobody's going to want to buy your slime if you're filming videos on like a gross surface and all that. So yeah, make sure you have good lighting. I would recommend filming with a phone. Make sure you have a good setup and you stay consistent with your video. Also, use hashtags. That is a huge thing. Add hashtags just like people do on YouTube. It's basically the same thing. Just like instead of hashtags, YouTube does clickbait. So basically you can do hashtags like slime giveaway, hashtag free slime, hashtag slime account, all that kind of stuff. Just look up the most popular hashtags. Just do hashtag slime and then a bunch of them will come up. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is supplies. So you want to make sure you're getting your supplies from a reliable site, because there are sites that will rip you off or are just way too expensive or just way too cheap to the point where it's kind of sketchy. I would totally recommend just getting all your stuff off of Amazon. It's really reliable. The shipping might take a bit longer just because slime supplies comes from different countries. Just keep that in mind when you're ordering slime supplies. Just make sure that the site that you're ordering off of is reliable and it's actually stuff that is okay to put in slime. And also, don't buy your slime supplies from stores like Hobby Lobby and Michaels unless you find a really good deal, because they will try to rip you off. I would go to the stores, see their prices, and compare them to Amazon and make sure that you're getting a good price. Definitely need some money to put into this at first, because it is kind of an investment buying all the slime supplies. Also, the next thing I'm going to talk about is growing your account. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. I grow my account through shout out for shout out. Basically, you DM someone and you can say, hey, I'll shout you out if you shout me out. Hey guys, so sorry about the angle change and everything. So basically my AC turned on, so that's what that background noise is. I'm just going to continue with the video, but I'm going to try to talk a little louder. Also, sorry about the staticky, that's probably what that's from, so yeah. So the other ways you can grow your account is you can do gain parties, and these are things that like people put you in a group chat and then you all like post a picture like gain party, and then they comment down below and basically everyone follows everyone and you can gain 50 to 100 followers off of that. So just find some people who want to do it with you and just get them all in a DM group chat and then post a picture. And the rules and stuff, if you look up game parties, you can find it on the internet, like how to do it and all that stuff. So the next thing is starting a shop in Etsy, and this is one of the parts that is like probably the hardest because you have to figure out shipping, prices, all that. So definitely do your own math. Definitely figure out what the good like prices per ounce per slime. Also, if you're looking for screw top containers, go to yall. They have the best ones. That was kind of random. Yeah, definitely. If you are a younger person trying to start it, definitely do it with your parents and they can help you with all that calculating stuff. The next thing is shipping orders and packaging. This is pretty easy, but definitely reuse. It's just so much better to recycle, and there's so many boxes that you can just use and then ship them priority. Definitely go to your local post office and go ask them about like how you can ship and like what's the best way and like flat rate boxes and all that kind of stuff. Make sure you know how to ship before you get an order, so definitely go to your post office before you set up your Etsy. Don't sell until your Etsy is set up and your account is set up and you've got a good base of followers. Then you should start selling, because then people will actually want to buy your stuff. I made that mistake. I started restocking, like filling my shop as soon as I started my account, and that didn't work very well because I didn't have a lot of followers to start out with, so nobody could really see my Etsy. and buy off of it and all that stuff. Also, you want to not restock and then nobody actually buys, and it just sucks when that happens. I actually have a restock up right now. Go check it out. It's on Honey Slimes. I have slimes for like really cheap. It's $1 an ounce, so 6 ounces $6, 8 ounces $8. They have cute little bottom labels and my top label logo, and they're just really high quality, and I work really hard on my slimes. So promo, go buy my slimes because I still have my restock up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try to post at least once every other day or once a day this summer. Please comment down below videos that you guys want me to do. Comment down below, make sure to like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!